Before a couple of days, we have seen the news that India overtaken Japan and now the fourth largest economy in the world. That power of India we can find at SteelFab Middle East 2026 exhibition, which started today at EXPO Centre Sharjah. Machine Maker is coming out with our campaign All Eyes on India, where we are showcasing companies who are making India proud and giving solutions for the world.
India has many solutions and we feel we have this opportunity through this program to be part of it. At Speed, we have multiple solutions that we want to exhibit and we got this platform. We are so grateful. Thank you for all the arrangements.
In precision manufacturing, power cannot be compromised. It should always be perfect. Here, what we are presenting today is world's most trusted static voltage stabilizers, which are used in every precision manufacturing.